Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Weird Tales. So today's video is regarding which all exams am I preparing for. So I'd like to tell you that I started my government job preparation in last year in 2024 for the first time, and I first thought of preparing for UPSC, but I dropped it after seeing the syllabus because उसके सिलेबस में जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स थे लाइक हिस्ट्री जियोग्राफी आई यूज टू हेट इट ड्यूरिंग माई स्कूल डेज and that's why I don't want to put myself in loop and again after CA again in a miserable life where there is no certainty of passing the exam. So that's why I dropped the idea of preparing for UPSC, and after that, see what else I'm left with is the regulatory bodies, right? So I have made a few pointers and the criteria based on which I would select that which regulatory body exam is suitable to me and I should appear for or not. So I'll show you that those criteria. So this is the four criteria that I've prepared. First is exposure in finance domain, of course, because I have studied so much, and that's why that would be helpful for me. The second is placement in metro cities, preferably Mumbai, because I like beaches, and Mumbai is full of beaches, and also we can go to Goa. So there also that's why I want to get placed in Mumbai. एंड थर्ड इज़ डिसेंट सैलरी. कम ज़्यादा भी चलेगा, मतलब कम तो नहीं चलेगा, ज़्यादा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट या डिसेंट सैलरी. सो एंड फोर्थ इज कुड बी क्रैक्ड इन 4 to 5 months ऑफ एफर्ट्स, बिकॉज इसके बाद आई डोंट हैव लाइक 4 to 5 months इज़ गुड इनफ टाइम टू प्रिपेयर. And after that I think I'll feel burnout or exhausted, and I will leave the exam, or exam will leave me, something will happen. So that this is the four criteria I've prepared, and based of which I will be selecting the exams that I want to appear for. So initially last year तो I was knowing only of RBI and SEBI and NABARD and nothing more than that. इन तीन एग्ज़ाम से ज़्यादा मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि और क्या क्या एग्ज़ाम्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, कोर्स भी क्या ले क्या नहीं, कुछ नहीं था. उस समय पे ये था कि अनुजिंदर सर एंड एडुटैप वाज वेरी फेमस, तो मैंने अनुजिंदर सर का कोर्स ले लिया था. बट अब तो जैसे मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव ऑल्सो टेकन द कोर्स. सो अनुजिंदर सर्स कोर्स इज़ रियली वेरी नाइस. द ओनली ड्रॉबैक आई फील इज देयर मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज इज़ नॉट वेरी relevant in terms of the actual pattern of the exam. So that is a concern only in that way. So considering these three criteria, RBI is very well within the criteria, and same SEBI, but SEBI will not come this year. And अगर इन सब में से exam if I clear any one exam this year, so maybe I might not appear for SEBI next year, because again as I mentioned, I'm not very studious, and that's why. And NABARD is again for agriculture sector, that's why I'm not very much interested in it, and that's why I've cancelled NABARD for preparing for it. NAFED is initially I was not very much interested in NAFED because the salary is a little lower side, like 14.83 LPA, which is almost near to my like current salary. That's why I don't want to appear for it. But after I have changed my mind and I have seen that the work profile is really good in NAFED, so that's why I'm considering the exam, and I'm appearing for it. And I've also given my exam, and I have got till interview stage. अभी इसमें reaching till interview stage is not very tough because ये exam उतना viral नहीं है अभी, it's not very popular, and that's why. Otherwise I was not even expecting an interview call. My written exam was really very horrible, so that's why. PFRDA, yes, but only one issue is that it gives placement in Delhi, which I don't want. I want in Mumbai, but again we have to adjust somewhere, otherwise all exams I'll be cancelling, so we're left with nothing. So that's why again this PFRDA is classing with SIDB. So as of now I'm considering SIDB, but if the shift is only one morning shift, then I'll go for PFRDA. EDI again I'll not appear because if EDI gives placement in Hyderabad, I don't want to go there. And IFSC again because it gives placement in Gandhinagar. Although I've stayed in Hyderabad for approx some time, and place is nice, but I'm not looking for it for a long period of time. That's why EDI is not one option that I'll be looking for. Again, NPS is very similar to PFRDA in terms of work. That's why if PFRDA, if I am able to clear, there's no means of filling the NPS form. So let's see if it's out and what are the eligibility criteria and something like that. I'm not very much sure about the NPS eligibility criteria as of now. So yeah, these are all the exams which I am familiar with this year, and I have shared what all exams I am considering, and you also share your what all exams if I'm missing some exam and you know about it, or what all exam you are considering, so you can let me know. And apart from source, if you have any other query, or you can ask me in the comment section, I'll reply to that. See, source is, you can select so many sources are there in the market that are very well known, and like Anujinder Sirs, EduTap, Exam Crack Grade B, all of these are very good. You can take any of this course and go ahead. See, आपको मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा, and your efforts you have to put. Coaching institutes are just helping you, giving the material and a guidance. Rest all you have to do yourself, and start doing it. Don't waste your time searching for courses or sources. Use any, and start. As per me, you can go for, if you are a beginner, as per me, if you are a beginner, you should go for Anujindal or EduTap. But if you are like, you have at least taken one time course of any one of this, you can go for Crack Grade B, because उसमें PDFs आपको मिल जाते हैं. It's very cheaper, like 3200 something, it's the price of Crack Grade B. So you can go for that. And that's my recommendation for the source. But again, many of you will not see the whole video, and you again, they ask for sources. But don't waste time in sources, start your preparation. And that's all about this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video, and you have if you have any other query, like apart from what I have not mentioned, please comment me, and I'll reply to that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.